Alexa doesn't watch this. Oh, do I want to tag Aiden Fernandez? I do. Tag Aiden Fernandez. Hey, you guys. How's everybody doing? As you hop on, say, hey, girl, hey. We wanted to show you something super cool. Hi, Christy. How are you? So, I have been on a massive health kick. Most of you saw it. Well, not most of you. I hope you did. I don't know if you did. What are you doing? But in the morning, like, I have this new thing that a little concoction that I make with like 50 of these jars over here. And I'm not trying to sell you anything, but this is like my favorite iced coffee protein shake that I take in the morning. I just made it myself. Like, this isn't anything from, like, you know, a company. Hi, Shelly, how are you? How are you guys doing? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. It's super fast. It's super simple. You need like 3 or 4 things. Like, well, for me, because I'm a little extra, so I have a lot of like random stuff I put in it. Say hi, lover. Hi, Amanda Harris. Oh, your hair looks good. You like his hair? He won't cut it. So, I get like a ton of bananas at Costco, right? So what I do with them is, let me show you. I take my bananas. Hi. Oh, hi, Rex. I cut them up and I put them in the freezer, okay? So, this is like the most simple recipe in the whole wide world, and it's so good. So, this is like a 1.5 cups of ice. Oh, love you, Shelly. How are you? So this is about 1.5 cups of ice. That's it. Yeah, it's in this really big thing because my little Ninja thing is super annoying and doesn't like hold a lot. It's over there, but it's way too small, so it gets on my nerves. So it says 2 cups of ice, but I do 1 cup of ice. 3/4 of a cup almond milk. This is like Food Network. This is the one I use though. Yeah, see how small it is? Like, to put 2 cups of ice in there with like bananas and stuff, forget it. It's not even gonna happen. But this is, he's going to need to use those scrunchies soon. Well, if he gives away that sweatshirt, there's gonna be a problem. Just so you know. I hope everyone heard me say that. So, anyway, this, I get the unsweetened kind. Because with the bananas make it like super sweet on its own, so you don't have to worry about it. So it's 3/4 of a cup, and I'll post the recipe in the comments too. But it's a cup, 1.5 cups of ice, 3/4 of a cup almond milk. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, you're leaving? So a cup of cold coffee. So what I do is I use my little Keurig over there, and I just literally make a cup of coffee at night, and then I put it in for the morning because that's when I drink it. So there's that. And then, so it says 1 frozen banana. So clearly I break these up. So I would put like, and just so you guys know, I absolutely hate bananas. I think they're disgusting. I don't eat, like, I can't stand them. And like, I drink this every day. So it's actually good, right? Hi, Miss Amber, how are you? What are you doing? So literally, I just buy these big old bulky things at Costco and then cut them up and throw them in the freezer because, you know, bananas go bad so freaking fast and it's annoying. Now, this part is totally up to you. I know some people have their own like protein shakes that they like. Everybody has something different. I am an avid Amazon psycho, and so I read a bunch of really good reviews on this. So I decided to try it just because it has vitamins in it as well. But I'm going to show you guys something funny that's going to make you laugh. Because I do have a keto one as well, but this one's pretty good. Like, it tastes, and it's vanilla, so it doesn't taste bad. So you put in a scoop of protein powder. Now, this is where I do a little bit different. Don't judge, okay? So, I'm old, so I have to, like, do all kinds of, like, extra stuff. Hi, Christina. So, I put fiber in. I put electrolytes in. I put biotin in, because my nails. I put MCT powder in, and I put collagen in. So it looks like a pharmacy. I won't do it now because you don't have to do it for this, so I won't do it now.
7.
7, yeah. So what? Don't judge. Just eat, drink your thing. Okay, so then put this on. Oh, it looks really liquidy. All right, you guys, it's about to get loud. Cover your ears, okay? Cover them. Oh, let me plug it in first. Don't cover them yet. Is it really loud? Okay, here we go. Ready? Are you guys still there? You cracked me up. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. You guys, look it. It's so good. So it's sweet, like, but it's not too sweet. You know what I mean? Where you're like, oh, I can't drink that. But you guys, literally the bananas made me want to gag, and I was like, this is stupid. But it's really good. But it makes a lot sometimes. Like, that's why I use this big thing. But look, let me show you. I'll even let Aiden try it. If you stay up all night, I swear to God, I'm going to tell your dad. I swear to God. Now,
and then I'm going to tell Alexa that you let me wear this.
don't tell her. Oh my God, I let him wear Alexa's thing. Hi, Victoria, how are you? Okay, so check it out. Now, Obvi, I do not, my messenger's blowing up. I do not drink all of this because I would probably die. But, let me show you. It's like, it's honestly, it's really good. I swear to God. Ready? It doesn't taste like banana. It doesn't taste like coffee neither. He's so full of it. I could have told him that it was a strawberry milkshake, and he'd be like, "This is bomb." You're so
No, it doesn't taste right.
He doesn't like protein powder. So anyway, I'll go back to the shake, I guess. You never. Oh, really, Gary? That's because I was 12.
You never could.
His face. Aww. Say hi, Ashley. I know. He hates protein powder. He thinks it's disgusting. This one's not bad, though. You know what's a really good protein powder? Even if you're not keto or on a diet, because I hate like the reference of this thing I'm about to show you. Even if you're just wanting like a really good tasting protein shake, it has a little bit more calories in it. But the Slim Fast, this keto one, the vanilla one, this is freaking good. Like, it's not even gross. And I mean, it has like 190 calories in it. I don't know, how much does this one have? Only 120. So it has a little bit more calories. This is really good. I just hate that like people see Slim Fast and they're like, oh, it's like for a diet. And it's not for a diet. You don't like that one? Well, I guess he doesn't like my Amazon find. Don't play with it. Oh my God. Anyways. Hi, Haley. How are you? Okay, so anyway, you guys, if you try it, tell me. I'm going to put it in the comments below. Stop playing with it. It's protein powder. He's 13 and he's like 5. Hi, Courtney. How are you? Oh, I can't keep drinking coffee. I'm going to be up all night. So anyways, if you guys try it, let me know.
Perfect. Look at that.
Yeah, it is perfect. And use this protein powder if you don't want to have a face like my son. Because he sucks.
Frick.
But we make him. We just made, come here, tell her what we're making, mouth. We made a iced coffee protein shake. Look, we're twins. He totally went and jacked Alexa's sweatshirt. So she's going to watch this and she's going to call me in about 5 minutes and freak out. Guess what I pulled out tonight? It reminded me of you. Fireball. Is it Fireball?
Yeah, it's Fireball. It's Fireball, isn't it?
You have chocolate on your chin.
I know. It's gotta be Fireball.
Makes my
What is it?
day. It's
What is
totally
it?
Fireball.
What is it?
Oh, I wonder if I have any.
You are not doing shots right now.
I know. I was just looking. God, Judge. Judgy McJudgerson. Your dad's not even home. I do what I want, except for when people are here. Then I don't. All right, guys. Thank you for having on. Somebody tell him to cut his hair.
No.
And we're going to go to bed now. It's Fireball. Oh, I seen all his scrunchies. Yeah, let him give away this sweatshirt. It's going to be on like Donkey Kong. funny.
It is.
Anyways, all right, you guys, we're gonna go. We will see you guys soon. Try the shake. It's not gross.
No.
His face is just, he's
I
not.
don't like coffee. I can wake up in the morning.
Not me. Judger.
Uh,
Bye.